So here's Rocket Money app. It's one of the alternatives for Mint app because Mint app just closed down. So people just literally looking for all alternatives available. So yeah, you can just easily create your account with email and password. And then how you just need to answer some onboarding questions. How did you manage your money today? So you can just do this. And then you can just see these notifications. Like it can be quite handy for managing all your transactions and your budgeting. How did you find us? So you can just, that's just optional. So then what you need to do is just add link accounts to get a full picture of your financial life. So you can add checking account. So here you can just use this. There is some support, and then you can just log in just from here. So this is a standard like kind of integration using Plaid. So this is the industry standard. So it's quite secure. So you can be safe here. Of course, you just always should be using subjective opinions. And then there is a credit card, which you can also just add your credit cards as well. And then when you do that, it will just basically act as a Mint app where you just have all of these things combined. And then you can see premium. So how much is your price? So there is like a 30-day free trial, which is quite generous. And then it's pay what you think is fair. So the minimum is $6 per month if you think that's fair. So but they allow you to do that, or if you plan to use it, the lowest price is $48 per year, or if you like the app, you can pay 60 to just boost the developers. So yeah, you just select your price, kind of quite cool. And then there is 30-day free trial just to try it out. So you can get credit report monitoring, custom transaction rules and notes, premium chat, shared accounts, account balance alerts, export data, and all of these things. And also quite handy feature is that actually here in the bottom, you can just tap to do a Mint import. You'll be able to import your transactions after onboarding. So you can try to do that, and it's quite handy app. If you have a bigger account or you have a lot of subscriptions, a lot of transactions, it's very hard to manage all of this stuff yourself. Maybe you have a bigger family account or you want to buy a house, so you just want to keep your finances in order. So that's why this app can be quite handy. You can see, sometimes subscription for example, for Netflix or Spotify just, increases in price, or some other things, and you were paying $10, now you pay $15, and there is some another subscription, and then you can just lose track of all your subscription and prices and don't know what exactly your savings are and where it all goes. So yeah, from here you can just see it. That's the idea. So that's how it works. So yeah, that's what it is. Hope that can be helpful.